the pastime paradise. Been wasting most their time glorifying days long gone behind. Been wasting most their days in remembrance of ignorance, all this praise. Tell me who of them will come to be? How many of them are you and me? Anticipation, race relations, consolation, segregation, dispensation, isolation, exploitation, mutilation, mutations, miscreation, confirmation to the evils of the world. Been spending most our lives living in the future paradise. Been spending most their lives living in the future paradise. Been looking in their minds for the day that sorrow's done from time. Keep telling of the day when the Savior of love will come to stay. Tell me who of them will come to be? How many of them are you and me? Proclamation, race relations, consolation, integration, verification, revelations, acclamation, world salvation, vibrations, stimulation, confirmation to the peace of the world. Been spending most their lives living in the pastime paradise. Been spending most their lives living in the pastime paradise. Been spending most our lives living in the future paradise. Been spending most our lives living in the future paradise. We've been spending too much of our lives living